Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to let you know that I'm still here. I'm still going through the recovery process. I just wanted to thank you for your patience and for all the positive messages that I've been sent over the last month. I really appreciated them all, and there's nothing I can say except thank you, and it really did mean a lot to me. When I go out to film, I usually have a couple of pre-planned shots that I know I'm going to get, but everything else is instinctual. It's just whatever catches my eye. If something happens, certain pieces of street art, or whatever happens to be going on, I just set up my camera and capture street life. That's just sort of what I do. When I set out that day on March 31st, I had a couple of projects that I was working on. I managed to finish one of the projects using footage that I had shot. The other project that is more detailed and discusses the incident itself is something that I'm working on. It should be a couple of more weeks before I'm able to carry my camera gear again and get the footage I need to finish the projects. One of the things that has hurt me more than anything else has been not being able to work on the projects that mean so much to me. That has been one of the most difficult parts of this entire incident. But as soon as I am able, I will be making regular content for this channel again. Thanks for watching. It really does mean a lot to me. Follow me on Instagram if you want, and I'll see you in the next one.